come stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong.
Bes, happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan lagi. See you soon. Kain muna ako.
Hey BFF, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Enjoy mo lang yung mga ginagawa mo. Good luck sa work. And I hope to see you soon. I miss you BFF. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Sec Ira, happy birthday. I wish you all the best ngayong birthday mo, and kahit hindi mo birthday kasi you deserve all the blessings. Sana rin is masaya ka lagi sa mga ginagawa mo, i-enjoy mo kung ano yung mga meron ka ngayon, and ayun, mag-iingat ka lang palagi kung nasa ka man, at mag-ipon ka na agad, sana yung mamandi na rin agad para makabalik ka na dito. Miss ka na namin, chat ba? Yun lang, bye bye, love you. See you soon. Yes.
Hi, Sek! Happy birthday! Sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo dyan, and sana na-surprise ka sa greetings namin. So, mag-iingat ka dyan palagi, and lagi mong tatandaan na lahat ng sacrifices mo dyan, magiging worth it yan. So, see you soon! Miss ka na namin. Balik ka na dito. Happy birthday!
Hello Pat! Happy birthday! We missed you. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. See you soon. Love you!
Hi Gar, happy birthday! Ingat kayo dyan palagi. Lahat kayo. Kila Penny, mama mo. Happy birthday. See you soon. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Ira. I miss you. I love you.
Hello Sec Ira, happy birthday to you. Ayan na, napa-video clip to ako dahil kay Kagawad Joey. So yun, thank you to him kasi ayun, nagbigay siya ng effort para dito. So yun nga, ingat ka dyan palagi. And alam ko rin naman na miss ka na nila, miss ka na namin, and uwi ka na very soon. Yan, magpayaman ka muna dyan. And good luck sa mga future decisions mo. And sana pagpalain ka ni Lord. And alam ko naman pagpapalain ka niya. So yun, happy birthday to you. Ingat ka dyan pala kay God bless.
Happy birthday Ira, I miss you. Ingat ka palagi.
Ngayon, happy birthday Ira. Happy 23 birthday sa'yo. And binata ka na. Wala nang mahabang sabi-sabi. Alam mo naman siguro lahat na nangyayari. Kahit anong sikreto mo, nakikita kita. Kung saan hindi ko sasabihin. Promise. Cross my heart. Ayun mga sikreto. Sa pagka-coach, tiwala nyo sa akin at maraming salamat dahil Captain, alam mo yan kung gaano tayo ka pursige na mag-champion back to back, repeat next year. Pay ka na kung pwede. Kung hindi ka naman pwede umuwi, okay lang, gagawin natin ang paraan yan. Pero alam kong miss na miss mo maglaro dito sa Pilipinas, diba? Tara na, happy birthday. Uwi na. Miss you, Captain.
Happy birthday, Chay. I miss you. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Love ko kayo na smile.
Happy birthday, Ira! Ingat ka dyan!
Hi guys! Happy birthday! Ingat ka dyan! Good luck sa journey mo! Play soon!
Ay, may kuliti pa. Ito na lang. Ira, happy birthday! And sana makasama ka namin ulit. And miss ka na namin. Alam naman namin na na-homesick ka na. Pero ganun talaga. Pero sure ako magkikita tayo ulit. We love you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ira! Hi, Bes! Happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi. Miss you so much.
Hi, Beth! Happy birthday! I miss you!
Hi Beth, happy birthday! Ano ba sasabihin ko? I'm so proud of you kasi nag-graduate ka na, tapos nag-work ka na, dyan ka na sa Dubai, unti-unti mo nang natutupad yung mga dreams mo. Pag-iihan mo lang, kapaldo din tayo. Love you, Bes. Ingat ka palagi. Alaga mo sarili mo.
Go.
Hi Besh, happy birthday. Miss na miss ka na namin dito na makakatingin and can wait na makating kita ulit soon. Diyan ka na muna, magpayaman ka na muna para malibre mo kami. And mag-iingat kayo lahat dyan. Bye-bye.
Hello, best. Happy birthday. You've always been such a wonderful friend to me and to our circle. And gusto ko lang na malaman mo na we are so proud of how far you've come. And know that we're always here for you. Just message mo lang ako or kami mo ni Leona. We miss you and I love you and I hope to see you soon. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. No more birthday blues. Please lang. Happy birthday.
Hi Bess! Happy birthday Ira Patricia. You are one of the sweetest, very caring and genuine person that I know. I mean it and I am grateful to have you as my friend. I know 23 sounds a little bit serious and scary but just take life slowly. Once ka lang magiging 23 sa buhay, enjoy every moment. Alam kong mahirap malayo sa mga mahal sa buhay, sa special someone, sa comfort zone. But we know that you are doing your best and I am rooting for you. I hope na maging successful ka someday at matupad mo lahat ng plano mo sa buhay. And of course, I wish you a healthy and happy life. Lahat kaming nagmamahal sa'yo, lahat kaming kaibigan mo. Miss na miss ka na dito. But for now, we need to endure the distance. And for you to create a beautiful life. At lahat kami umaasang umuwi ka dito at sobrang miss na miss ka na namin. Sana soon magkita tayo. Love na love kita, best. And hindi man tayo masyadong nag-uusap, hindi man tayo palaging nag-uusap. Pero isa ka sa mga kaibigan na tumatak sa akin kasi sobrang bait mo, sobrang genuine mo in general. Yun lang. At ayun, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day and sana magkita na tayo. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Hi Pat, dito pa rin ako sa work ko pero short message, happy 24th birthday sa'yo. I hope maging successful ka sa career mo and sa life. Pagkakagat susuko, always be positive. Keep believing in yourself and trust that you're working for will fall into place naman. So, enjoy your day. I'm here to support you all. The best is yet to come. Yeah. Happy 24th birthday, Pat. Ingat ka dyan palagi.
Sige na, Happy birthday to ate. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.
Pat. Ate Pat.
Ate Pat. Ninang Pat.
Ninang Pat, Sige.
Very much. You very much, so much. A lot.
Miss you.
Much, a lot. Bye.
Ikaw naman.
I love you so much, very much, a lot. Bye.